May 17, 7:30. Yesterday, when we were in Cauayan and we were at the gas station, the gas person says, "Oh, your tire is deflated." So I inflated it, and while during inflating the tire, I noticed the cracks around the tires, and I thought this is basically new, not even 2 years old. So I thought, what's going on with this? So the tires are manufactured in Thailand, and at the least this is a year-old tire, and my thought is it should last 2 years. However, it didn't. So the tire, the damage is this. There's just cracks several places. Here it's cracked here, and so I asked my wife, because he mostly drive now, I don't, and what did you run over? And she says she doesn't remember running over anything like a big pothole or anything like that, or running over a curve. So the quality of the tire that I bought from Thailand is not so good. Although I've been noticing also that tires in the Philippines, they don't last over 2 years. So, and how much did I pay for this tire? It's 3,000 peso each. So that's I'm thinking about it, that's less than around $70, I think. So I'm just gonna jack it up and replace the tire. So I've taken the tire off the vehicle, and maybe I'll check the brake pads. So for this to happen like this, what sort of event that would basically happens the entire circumference of the tire? So to me, this is a quality matter that can suck. So the product name is Ecotech, which I had purchased here locally. So suck. This is 3,000. Let me see, when did I replace it? 2024, I think. So I don't know, maybe 2 years old now. And this one is Achilles. They don't last 2 years also. Soft rubber, they tend to erode rapidly. So I use it as a spare tire. So look like I'm gonna have to replace it also. Look like it's time to replace the brake pad. It's thin now, so I'll have to either do it here locally or go to Santiago. So I'm having my tire replaced with China-made one. It's called Aribo. It's 2.7 for replacement. So the brand is Achilles. The tire guy says this is normal for Achilles. So if you're buying Achilles, expect this to happen. So I'm having this tire replaced now, and later on the other side will be replaced. So the tire place is called MJ. Okay, it's replaced. That's how it is. Thanks for watching.